Yes, or else it can be a big problem.
Exactly.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Miss Santiago, can you please call our HR department head? Please have a seat. Miss Santos, this is Mr. Villanueva, the payroll checker, who maintains payroll information by collecting, calculating, and entering data. Also updates payroll records by entering changes exempt from insurance coverage, saving deductions, and the job title department division transfers. He also prepares reports by complaining summaries of earnings, taxes, deduction, leave, disability, and non-taxable wages. Miss Santiago, the personal assistant. She is responsible for maintaining human resource records of department employees. Also, involves the preparation of a variety of personal documents in accordance with established procedure. The personal assistant reports to a higher level officer, Mr. De La Umbria and Miss Villalobos, supervisors, responsible for the day-to-day performance of all small group. It may be a team, a department, or a shift. Typically, the supervisor has experience in what the group does and has earned the position based on management's belief that he or she capable of guiding the team. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Miss Rhoda Santos, our new HR department head. Her main concern was preparing the payroll and handling employees' records. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. Have a seat. I think you already know why you are here. Employees' commitments to perform standard are high priority, but in your 3 month span employment, 20% of women employees and 12% of male employees resigned for unknown reason as there no exit interview conducted. The production schedule was delayed and our foreign customers were alarmed. You failed in your actions. You took your indecisive approach to the HR problem. We don't know what to do regarding the current situation. I'm sorry, Mom. I'll give you time to think on how we resolve this problem, and by tomorrow morning we will have a meeting about this. Thank you. Good morning. We are already here now. We can start this meeting regarding to Ms. Rhoda Santos. So, Ms. Santos, I gave you ample of time to think about this. Now, what can you think on how we will resolve this? And everyone, the table is open for any suggestions. So what about the document of the meeting?
I think we need to, we need to be multitasking. So we need to do a lot of things so that we can come up with a production that we didn't do. What do you think, ma'am?
Assistant, we should talk to our foreign customers that we will meet the deadline. Okay?
Yes, I will.
Two supervisors here, you should supervise all the employees and take care of them. You, the payroll checker, you should just do your job. And you, Miss Santos, you should know how to work with your employees well. And I don't want to happen this way. And this meeting is over.